Messi certainly knows how to spin big, and today in this video, I'm going to go over 10 items Messi owns that cost more than your life. Welcome back to Stars and Sports. Let's get into the video. Number 10, mansion in Barcelona. Lionel Messi is from Argentina, but he lived in Spain for most of his life. As we know, he is the greatest star of Barcelona FC, so it makes sense he would invest some of his millions buying a house there. Messi has a $7 million mansion in Castelldefels, where he lives with his wife and 2 children. The terrace has a privileged view of the Catalan Hills and the Mediterranean Sea. Messi and his family also have a private theater, a gym, swimming pool, and spa available anytime they want a home. Number 9, renovation. According to Architectural Digest, Messi has spent $2 million just on renovation for his home. The investment certainly increased the value of the house. According to the publication, the house has a Mediterranean atmosphere and the decor is replete with wooden floorboards, brightly painted walls, and panoramic glass windows. Messi and his wife chose to paint the house in different tones of beige and brown in some rooms. Although the couple never showed the home to a publication, sometimes both share the glimpses of their house on social media. Number 8, neighbor house. Most people have to deal with annoying neighbors, at least once in their life. How do you deal with them? If you're Lionel Messi, the answer is simple: just buy their houses. I did not have any problems with the neighbors, not like Messi in Castelldefels. He had to buy his house from the neighbors because they were noisy so he could be alone. His teammate Ivan Takiti said during an interview, Messi didn't confirm the information, but since it is one of the most exclusive places in Barcelona, it might have cost him millions. Number 7, the world's most expensive car. Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo are not only big rivals on camp, and both are very competitive on other things too. In 2016, the 2 soccer stars attended an auction and they wanted to bid for a 1957 Ferrari 335 Sport Spider Scaglietti driven by Sterling Moss in the 1958 Cuban Grand Prix. The final bid was nearly $35 million, and the amount makes the vehicle the most expensive car in the world. Many sources affirm that Lionel Messi was responsible for the final bid, but he never confirmed the rumors. Number 6, car collection. The legendary Ferrari is not the only car in Messi's garage. According to The Sun, the player has a car collection that is worth over $3 million. He is often seen driving a Mini Cooper, that is a popular car in Europe, but he also has a rare Pagani Zonda, which is worth $1,850,000, a Maserati Gran Turismo, which costs approximately $123,000, a Ferrari F43 Spider that is evaluated on over $200,000, an Audi R8 V10 that is worth over $100,000, and the list goes on. Number 5, renting a private jet. Last year, Lionel Messi rented a luxury private jet. According to Business Insider, the jet includes a kitchen, 2 bathrooms, and 16 seats that can be folded to make 8 beds. It was also customized and has the number 10 on its tail. The jet is evaluated on $15 million, an amount that Messi could easily afford with his annual salary. But even renting a private jet is too expensive for most people in the world. So many multimillionaire soccer players like Neymar and Cristiano Ronaldo have their private jets, so it won't be a surprise if Messi decides to buy one too. Number 4, renting a yacht. During this summer, Lionel Messi rented a yacht and, according to The Sun, cost nearly $50,000 per week. The player split the bill with his teammates Luis Suarez and Cesc Fabregas while they were enjoying some great days for Formentera, Spain. The friends shared several pictures of the luxury holidays. According to the publication, the yacht has 4 rooms and can host 10 people. It also features a master suite, a VIP stateroom, and 2 twin cabins. It also has a wave runner, 2 kayaks, and a paddleboard. Those days were not 100% relaxing for Messi. He had to leave a club in Ibiza because he was involved in a fight. Number 3, giving it back. Lionel Messi has a net worth that can afford the best lifestyle money can buy, but he also remembers to be grateful and to give it back. Messi often makes a generous donation to support many causes. In 2018, he gave nearly $3 million to build a hospital for children with cancer in Barcelona, but it was the only time he helped. Earlier this year, he donated $218,000 to support a project in Kenya. In 2015, he gave $380,000 to UNICEF in Argentina. Number 2, vacation. Messi works very hard and is one of the most focused players on Barcelona FC. However, he also deserves some time off, right? The soccer star likes to enjoy his free time with friends and family. After Copa America in Brazil, he went to the Paradisiac Antigua in the Caribbean with his wife and 2 children. In 2018, he relaxed on Formentera after the World Cup. Messi seems to be very approachable on holidays. This year, a video of him playing soccer with a child that recognized him in Antigua went viral. Number 1, clothes. Messi is one of the best soccer players of all times, and some people dare to say he is even better than Maradona, the greatest Argentinian idol. He is a talent in soccer, but he is also remarkable when it comes to his fashion choices. The soccer player often chooses distinguished and unique outfits when he goes to important events. Since they are unique, some of them can cost thousands of dollars. In 2018, he wore a tailored suit that cost approximately $5,000. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.